Good morning, Counselor Isaac.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Well, who's your client's name?
So I am on a different matter. It's not scheduled for today, but I can't get a hold of anyone in the courtroom. So I was hoping to talk to the clerk about a motion that I filed.
And which one is that? That is, which one is that? Name?
The last name is Lika.
Lika. I don't have it in front. Lika. Let's see. Who is
The first name is
Lika? What is the first name?
Erjon as in Nancy.
Erjon.
Yes.
I don't have any Erjon Lika. I don't have anything for that individual.
Yes, I filed well, he had sent in a request to withdraw his admission.
Oh, for one of these state cases here?
Yes, it was. I believe it's the second one. The case ends in 69521.
Yes.
So it got lost when it was sent in. So I filed a separate motion, but I haven't heard back. So I was wondering if it was received.
Okay, I can't. I haven't seen anything in front of me. So.
Okay.
Hopefully, our regular clerk is not here today. Well, she's here today, but she's not. It's not going to be in the courtroom today. So I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, I will check in with her.
Why don't you speak with the city? Why don't you speak with the city and ask the city? Have a conversation with them. I'll put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Mr. Bowman, go to 4, please. This is a state civil infraction operating commercial vehicle school bus while reading, typing, or sending texts. It's found responsible on 8/23/2024. I imagine council wants to withdraw the plea to see what you can do to, I don't know why it was injured. All right, have a conversation. This person here is one that I want to watch. iPhone. It doesn't look good. On the iPhone device, can you start your camera, please, and state your name?
Wait a minute.
No, good morning. Is that a religious headgear or just a do-rag on your head?
Sorry.
Good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Morning, William Gary.
William Gary?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. All right, good morning, everyone. What we're going to do is try to do the best we can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out before that you came in. Ms. Officer Thomas.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Judge Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. No, well, let's see what he's got. Step up, Mr. Ganzy. That's cool. Are we ready, Ms. Williams? This is the city of Detroit versus James Ganzy, James Aaron Ganzy Jr. Yes. Case number SP 1502467, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1502481, 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
James Aaron Ganzy Jr.
Elwood F. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Real quick, right quick.
All right, Mr. Lake, you're gonna have to be quiet. You're gonna have to mute yourself. All right, Mr. Ganzy, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a free trial. Do you have any documentation?
No, I showed you all that already.
What did you show me?
The first time I came here, I showed you a proof of insurance and registration.
So where is it now?
It's in my car at home. I caught the bus here.
So why didn't we dismiss it before that?
Because I ain't got, you want me to get my license?
Do you have a license?
No, I'm waiting on my birth certificate, which is coming from New York City.
Okay, come back on, we're gonna set it for trial. Come back on January the 13th, all right?
Okay.
2025 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Bring all that documentation next time too.
Okay.
Oh no, I have insurance here.
Yeah, you got all
I
that.
have insurance here.
Right.
This insurance is expired, but I gotta bring some updated insurance registration and driver's license. January, when you hit the big money lottery and all that and drive that Rolls Royce, all right?
Thank you.
And then we go for a ride after that.
No, I know 13.
All right.
Thank you.
Did you come up with something, Counselor?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Bowman and I agreed to reopen the case, but I would have to send my motion over to him to forward to his supervisor for
go ahead and do that, and you take care of that, and we'll hear the motion when you all have worked all that out, all right?
Okay, perfect.
All right,
Thank
best of luck to you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Bradley Graham Jr., case number SB 1615831, counts 1 and counts 2. This is an off docket matter, it's supposed to be here tomorrow. Somebody put their appearance on the record for Mr. Graham, please.
Go ahead,
Mr. Berry, sorry.
Odell Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Graham, state your name for the record, please.
Bradley Graham Jr.
Today is the call. We'll call the date and time set for a pre-trial. Off the record, Mr. Graham Jr. indicated that he's in the process of making arrangements to get his license straightened out. We're not getting the opportunity to do that. We're going to set the matter for a trial date on January the 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right. Best of luck to you, Mr. Graham Jr. I hope you can get that license by January 13th. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Have a happy holiday season. All right.
Okay.
Oliver, is Jesse Oliver here? All right, let's get the City of Detroit versus Amanda Latrice Lake, case number SP 1602731, SP 1602741. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good morning to you. How are you, Ms. Lake?
I'm doing just fine. Thank you for asking.
All right. Go ahead, for the record, someone, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Lake.
Good
All right,
morning.
Ms. Lake, state your name for the record, please.
Amanda Latrice Lake.
All right, please tell me you got a valid license, Ms. Lake.
Yes, I do, Judge. The last time when I paid the ticket, I forgot to pay my reinstatement fee, which I did already.
We'll see. The offers, why do you laugh, Why do you laugh? Who let this TCL 913 device in? Let's go off the record. Who's on that TCL 913 7W device?
Oh, Your Honor, I think that's me. I'm not sure. I got a
Yeah,
message.
what's your name, please?
My name is Nathaniel Gishman.
Christian? I wonder who let you in?
What you mean?
I try to get the name. I try to get the names down right there in the breakout room so I can get you in the order that you came in. But I give certain people privileges. Nobody's ever told me who abused their privilege. All right, Grishman?
Yes, sir.
Does anyone see Mr. Grishman on the docket? Let me do this. Give me the correct spelling of your last name.
Gris, S as in Sam, S as in Sam, MON.
First name, Daniel. You're supposed to be here tomorrow.
Okay.
Have that license, registration, and insurance?
I'm sorry.
Some donuts now.
Morning, Your Honor.
Those have a sweet tooth.
I'm early and I'm not on the board. Am I at the right place? I hope I'm at the right place.
I don't know.
It's not on the board, but you told me to come back.
The donuts have to stay though.
Well, they do. They're in custody. They're official. So I hope nobody's gonna get mad at me up there.
Who's your client, counsel?
I have a sentencing for a Gibbs. Christina Gibbs, Gibbs. She's here too.
Yes, today.
Oh, it is. May we come in early? It's
You may.
9:30. Good.
Did you get the pre-sentence report?
Judge, I didn't, but I'll wait.
I'll give it to you now.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm supposed to be in court tomorrow at 8:30.
Yeah, do you have a license, sir?
Yes, I have my license. But I got a ticket saying that my license was suspended. I don't know how that got suspended when I paid all the money that.
We're gonna check. Give me 1 second, all right?
Okay.
Judge, the trim beard looks good. I like how you trim the beard. Looks
Yeah,
good.
it's not trimmed. I gotta get cut next week. It'll be better, hopefully. So let's go back on the record with Lake. Lake has a valid driver's license. We're only gonna be talking about 11 to 15 over Mr. Bowman, and put their appearance on for Ms. Lake.
I did.
All right, join the breakout room and have a conversation with Mr. Bowman about how you want to settle this up. All right. Join the room. Ms. Lake, Ms. Harris is going to come to the breakout room and see you when she finishes talking to the city, okay?
Okay.
So let's go. There's given the present.
I'll give it right back, Judge. I don't need a copy unless it's like
Yeah,
imprisonment.
go ahead.
Just give it back. I've been in this business too long to think I'm gonna change anybody's mind.
All right, let's pass that matter. Britney. Britney, good morning to you. Run on Mr. Grisham's license as well.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And what is the last name, Miss Britney?
Green.
Green? City of Detroit, Mr. Barrett, do you have one?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
City of Detroit versus Britney, Janae Green, case numbers SP 1519353, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1570492, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1585979, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Britney Janae Green.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Green, do you have a valid license?
So I paid the rest of my fees that you told me to pay. I gotta go take my picture for my license today. They had sent me an
Did you
appointment.
get a license?
Yep, I paid the fees. I just gotta get the license today for the picture, the ID.
Well, either you got the license or you didn't. It sounds like you don't have.
No, sir. No, sir.
I mean, that's what it is. You didn't get it. So either get her an offer or set the matter for trial to put it on track. Or if you're going today, you can come back tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I can go today and come back tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Well, no, give me an update just to make sure.
Come back on Friday.
Okay.
I don't know what you've been doing this whole time.
Hi, working. I work. Probably working.
So what's gonna be different now?
Nothing. Well, it's not gonna be
It's
different.
it's not gonna be nothing different.
Yeah,
Maybe
it's gonna be
you'll
something
come back
different.
and
'Cause I gotta get them. No, I'm gonna have them by Friday. I'm gonna have them by Friday. I'm so sorry.
All right, come back on the 8th. Come back on Friday. Please bring a license, all right?
I will. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Nothing further. Have a great day, man. Best of luck. Christian, you don't have a license.
What happened?
Oh, you
I
gotta
paid
ask,
everything that I was.
you gotta ask the Secretary of State that. Here, let's see what happens. Getting tickets.
I only got one. That's the one that I'm in court for.
It seems like Mason, Michigan. Local insurance.
Mason, Michigan. Do I have a date on that?
Yeah, back in last year, August 8th. A while ago. That's what's messing your license.
I wonder why that didn't show up when I paid the tickets that you had me to pay to get my license back.
Because this is in
I wonder why I
Mason.
didn't.
Did you go to the Secretary of State?
When you asked me to, when I first got my driver's license back, and I just got them back a few months ago when you had me to pay all my tickets and stuff.
I don't know if you got a license yet. It doesn't, it would not, I would not suspect you got a license.
I can show them to you that I had got them. Hold on. Let me grab my wallet.
I don't need to see it. You need to,
Okay.
You need to go to Mason.
Okay.
That's what you need to do. So
If I went to the Secretary of State, they would give me the Mason phone number so I could call and make arrangements with them.
you got 55th District Court, 55th District Court. You can look it up yourself. Mason, Michigan. I'm gonna give you a case number or a ticket number. You got anything?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
All right, 2234 is the ticket number, 262-923C. That's
I'm sorry, you're going too fast.
That's
Okay.
234.
Yes.
262-923C. C is in cat.
Okay, I got 234-262-923Z.
C
That's
is in
Z?
cat.
Okay, C is in cat. Okay.
55th District Court in Mason. You know where it is.
Well, I don't know where the court at, but I'm gonna find out.
Oh, all right.
Okay, so I'm due back in court tomorrow at 8:30.
Yeah, you may be able to go out paid. You may be able to get that paid and bring a license back tomorrow if you do your due diligence.
Okay, I'll try and make that happen.
All right. Best of luck to you. See you in the morning.
All right, thank you.
Andrew. Tony Andrew. Yes.
Oh, but y'all was, it was women at halftime, right?
Do we have a class? Morning.
Yeah,
Where are you going? Where do you want to go?
Like 42 zip. They was up 10-0.
Oh, man. Living high on the hog, huh? That's fun there. Yeah.
Would it be this one or short one?
We need that, I need that. Go ahead. You want to say some more? I already made my mind up. No, go ahead.
No, I'm just telling you the reason behind it. When I did my first Zoom, the lawyer I spoke to him, I had already told him about this, and he said that I shouldn't have nothing to worry about because he tried to get it set for the 4th, but when it came to the mail, it was for the 5th. I've been calling and calling. It's my only day off because I'm on vacation. But
All right. I already made my mind up. I'm just waiting for a while. All right, let's move on. Odell. Miss Odell, are you there? I need that pre-sentence report back.
Oh, that's it.
Is it here? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kesha Odell, with Kesha Renee Odell, case number SB 1594731. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Odell.
Kesha Renee Odell.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a
For purposes of a my client would stand mute.
enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Miss Odell, do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do.
See what you have, please.
Hold on. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it?
Hold on. All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too, and thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lake. Ms. Lake, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. That's of impeding traffic, Ms. Harris.
Yes, Your Honor. We would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We would stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal. She's just requesting time to pay any fine.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Stipulate, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic, $175. And how much time do you need to pay, ma'am?
Well, since I recently just lost my job 2 days ago, maybe like a couple weeks, a month.
How did you lose your job?
I work for MGM and I work midnights and I kind of nodded off at the window. So it was violation of company policy.
You messed up a good job, huh?
Yes, I did. I'm really upset about that too.
All right, I'm gonna give you until December the 5th to pay that off. You pay that at any DivDev kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDev app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways to tell you to pay it. Maybe the union can get you back in.
I already had my grievance meeting with my union rep.
And what happened? No, they're not gonna get you back in?
Nope, they said it was violation of work policy. So it was immediate termination.
Oh, that's serious. All right, best of luck to you, man.
Okay, you said to December 5th?
December 5th.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. What about Britney Green? Is Britney Green still here? Britney Green is gone, right? Deante Golden, did we call him yet? No.
Yes, hello? Deante Golden.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Deante Golden, case number SB 1610443, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Golden. Please state your name for the record.
Yes, Deante Golden.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for hearings. This is all civil infractions. You have an absolute right to a formal hearing if you choose. I'm going to get you an offer. Ms. Harris is going to get you an offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Ms. Harris, give it Mr. Golden an offer. He has 3 civil infractions. You see the allegations, all right? And then go to breakout room, Mr. Golden, wait on Ms. Harris, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me get, Tony Andrew Gillespie, City of Detroit versus Tony Andrew Gillespie, case number SB 1597169, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Gillespie, good morning to you. Step up, please. Mr. Gillespie, what days did you say you're leaving?
From the 5th to the 10th.
It's not one for sure.
No, it's not on for the day. Gillespie is the correct one of your last name?
Yes, sir.
And Tony Toyn, Andrew Andrew.
Oh, why?
Tony, I'm sorry. For birthday, right?
Yeah.
All right. The 10th to November 5th.
The 5th to the 10th.
Through November 10th. All right, enjoy yourself, sir. Come back on, do you have valid, did you ever get a license?
No, sir, I was in the process of doing all that when I caught this ticket. So.
How long is that gonna take?
Gotta wait a year for this actual court hearing when I come back.
You wanna get him an offer, Mr. Bowman? So he can resolve this? He's got no insurance and driver's license never acquired. It's up for tomorrow. We might wanna get the money, court might wanna get the money before he goes to Cabo and spend it all up.
He's speaking, please, muted.
You're muted. All right.
Yeah.
Do you
I'm sorry,
wanna-
Your Honor, give me the 2 tickets again.
Driver's license never acquired, no insurance proof. You have insurance there? Is that the paperwork you have?
The vehicle interview totaled out.
All right, so driving license never acquired, no insurance proof. There's only 2 things. He's waiting, he has to wait a year before he gets.
I'll give him an allowing on the never acquired and a dismissal on the no proof of insurance.
$240 allowing, that'll get you with no abstract, and that won't interrupt that year, and then we'll dismiss upon payment. You have $240 today?
I can pay today.
You can pay today? Ray, give him advice and rights. This Officer Thomas, go ahead, sit down, read your advice and rights, and then we'll get you out of here today. All right, let's get Mr. Berry going on Gutierrez, and then we'll get your client out of here comfortably. This is the City of Detroit versus Mario Gutierrez, case number SP 108-00571, SP 114-6335, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 122-66191, SP 143-7835, State of Michigan versus Mario Gutierrez, case number SX 346-38911, 19-4849-631, 221-400-372, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gutierrez.
Mario Gutierrez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
You are not guilty on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. You got your work cut out for you on this one, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Gutierrez, Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer on your file. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial. Why don't you wait in the breakout room for him to come speak with you, all right?
Okay.
All right, join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Christina Marie Gibbs, case number Z8092921.
Good morning, Your Honor, Edward Zelenak, P27611, appearing for Ms. Gibbs. And state your name, ma'am.
Christina Marie Gibbs.
You may have to speak up just a little bit.
Christina Marie Gibbs.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, Counselor, and is that your husband there?
Yes.
Support. Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
All right. Give me an opportunity to read and review the pre-sentence report, correct?
Yes.
And any deletions or any you agree with the report?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, it's accurate. It's to the point. There's also the dual diagnosis that she needs to keep caring for, which may compel her sometimes to use alcohol to self-medicate in absence of medication. Tonight, she gets her driver's license back. She hasn't worked since the incident. She's been taking care of her 2 grandchildren during that time, but she goes back as a server at Mario's and Roma's. But she's been off. Her license becomes valid 1 minute after midnight today. So I trust she'll move on. This is her first offense, and the court knows much more than I do what's needed in these situations. Ask you down for recommendation.
All right. Anything you want to say?
I'll say that I'm sorry and messed up and won't do it again.
All right. I just have an issue with the things you reported into the report about the alcohol and that your consumption of it that night. What time did this incident happen? Yeah, you indicated, and I guess I don't know. I guess it could very well be the case, depending on how much you consumed in those mixed drinks. But you indicated that you only had 3 mixed drinks of tequila. It seems as though, not unless they're very a lot of alcohol in those, it seems as though that it doesn't seem that you would have risen to the level of 0.210. If that was unless, like I say, unless there was a lot of alcohol in those drinks. In my opinion, I'm not an expert on that in any way. So I just that's the only thing that I see in the report that I have that gave me a little bit of pause, and the fact that you say you Striver uses 2 to 3 12-ounce beers twice per week. That kind of just for somebody that works in a bar, I don't really buy that. And the only reason I'm saying that is because not because it's going to be really anything different here than the standard sentence of maybe adopting the recommendation or whatever. We'll deal with that. But the fact that you have to be upfront with yourself about your issues and your drinking habits. You're going to be the one that's, it's your life. Obviously, it's other people around you that are affected in this way. You had an accident, so it definitely affects other people around you. But to say that it's just a 2-drink thing, 2 or 3 drink thing twice a week, is it true? Only you know that. Am I buying that? No, I'm not
When I'm
buying
on
that.
medication, I don't drink.
Pardon me?
When I'm on medication, I don't drink. And then now I'm back on, they got me on different meds.
I understand that, but what I'm getting, you're not getting what I'm saying. At the time, you must not have been on your meds, or you violated that because you were drinking, and you admitted to saying I have 2 to 3 drinks per week and 2 to 3 Modelo's. Well, we don't have Modelo in here. We have mixed drink tequila, so that's outside of what you normally do, it according to what you say. And then if you expect somebody to believe that you work at a bar every day and you only have 2 to 3 beers per week, it just doesn't comport in my opinion. Like I say, you could very well be telling the truth, but it just doesn't sound right. And I just bring that to your attention because if you have some issue with drinking, we have some support in drug treatment court. Did we go over that option with you?
Yes, Your Honor, and she elected to stay here because you could accomplish essentially the same thing for a first offender. But I concur. I remember as young prosecutors always 2 beers. At least they moved it up to 3.
Yeah.
But they were 3 4-ounce shots of tequila. That's what was in the drink. No, it's like 3 Long Island iced tea. She had at least 12 ounces alcohol.
Yeah, and like I say,
she's at.
I get that. Maybe you can't get to a 2.1. But what I'm saying is there's a difference here, and they can say I can't provide the services that they can provide over there. They're experts. I'm not an expert. I deal with the drunk driving, maybe 4 or 5 times a month or something like that. I like for people to go over there because they have exceptional services over there, something that is beyond my expertise. But for what I see, I just have to call it like I see it. And I have to call it in the way I see it. I don't see you just drinking 2 or 3 Modelo's per. When you say only when you're not on your medication, I don't see that. So if there's nothing else, it's going to be the sentence of the court that we'll adopt the recommendation in these parts. Probation, a 12-month term, shall not use or possess any controlled substances without marijuana, THC products, or any illicit substances without a valid marijuana card. I'm not concerned about it if you have a marijuana card. Submit to a random drug testing twice per month. Complete alcohol highway safety education level 1. Complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Victims Impact Count. It says here, continue with outpatient dual diagnosis services through Great Lakes Psychology Group and provide verification of treatment report. I don't necessarily always go along with the first time offender thing, but do you feel that you need to continue that?
Well, that's my psychologist and my therapist. I do just for the bipolar.
All right, so we'll order that. We'll tell you to continue that, and let's provide verification of that. And pay assessment or court fines of $35 a month probation fee. And I would only pay that at the $35 per month. Don't go and pay it all at one time, because we may see you doing well, and your counsel may come in and ask for a motion to release you from probation. And I would definitely consider that. Supervision fee, that's the $35 on probation supervision fee. A $15 a month urinalysis fee, $100 a month substance abuse evaluation, and then there's going to be a $240 fine from the court. And then there's going to be the other necessary mandatory costs that your attorney's associated with. The state cost of $50, crime victim right fee of $75. You don't have the attorney fee. The urinalysis is up. So there's going to be ordinance misdemeanor cost of $65, and then I'm assessing the fine at $240. All right, so it's probably going to add up to somewhere in $1,000 range or something like that, and we can get you a calculation of that once it's entered into the system. All right.
Are you able to take care of that today or this week, your fines and costs, understanding that you're going to pay 35 months on probation? How soon can you pay the fines and costs?
Yes.
All right, good answer.
All right, so let's do this. We'll give a 12-month date. Give me a 12-month date, and then I'll set it for a review in 6 months. So we'll go with the 12 months. We'll have you back in 6, and we'll see how your progress is. All right, unless there's something else that comes to the court's attention. All right, which I hope is not going to be. All right.
Thank you.
All right, I do wish you the best of luck in this, and like I say, I said all that not to put you on the spot. Well, I want to put you on the spot a little bit, but to say that it's you and yourself here, and you have to be honest with yourself in that what you consume and the way you carry yourself, because it does affect everybody else. But for that, I'm just gonna say what I have to say. All right.
Roderick, thank you.
Yeah, best of luck to you, ma'am, your husband. Appreciate you being here, and counselor, we appreciate that. All right.
Mr. Roderick, thank you, Judge.
Have a great day, and we'll see. Oh, let's get the dates.
Down, wait till they get here.
Let's get the dates. November the 4th. So that's going to be the probation end date. November the 4th, 2025. Let me get a review. Let me get an early review date, 6 months. Please. May the 6th.
Very well, Judge.
May the 6th. All right.
Unfortunately, you get to see me again Thursday. Your Honor's not seeing me.
Hey, we always love to see very good counsel, so and love to hear the argument. So that is appreciated, and I enjoy it. All right, thank you for doing this. Oh, I've already done so.
Me too, Judge.
I've already done so. So if I keel over tonight, my vote is in.
That's very good, Judge. See you this week.
All right.
You guys wait till you get your pay. What a week you're up. Well,
Take them away here.
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's who are we ready on? Let's do this. I know that Mr. Gillespie is itching to get out of here and start his vacation. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna make him suffer anymore. Go ahead.
Your Honor, could we confirm that Mario Gutierrez has a valid license?
I'd like to see that myself.
Yeah, I'd like to see that too.
Here it is. Let's go ahead. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gillespie. Mr. Gillespie, I've given you an opportunity to review and look over your advice and rights. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You know by taking this deal, is this your signature down here at the bottom of the page?
Yes, sir.
Or you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Let me draw your attention back to August the 25th, 2025, at around 3:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Plymouth and Stout. Did you have an occasion that day to be in that area around that date and time in the city of Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Did you have an occasion to get stopped by the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
I didn't have no good.
You didn't have a license. Find your client guilty of the amended crime of allowance of dismiss upon payment. And with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter now. All right. $240. You're gonna pay that right now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead down. Let me get that in there so we get the paperwork so you pay it. Bring it back up. We'll dismiss the case. You don't have to worry about the permission to go out of town.
Okay.
All right. The license is valid, Mr. Berry. Gutierrez license is valid. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Golden. Mr. Golden, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, he wants to take the deal, I'm sure.
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct. We would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis and stipulate, well, for the dismissals.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Golden?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. He knows when to hold him and knows when to fold him, huh? With that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other matters. 175, when can you pay?
I honestly can pay this Friday, to be honest.
Everybody's got money.
Got the mortgage out the way, so now I can pay these debts.
All right, there we go. $175, sir. Pay it by Friday. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, you too, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day too.
You as well. All right, on the iPhone I just let in the room, good morning to you. Turn your camera on. What's your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Marco Cervantes.
Yeah, good morning, Officer Cervantes. All right, I'm gonna put officers in breakout room one, Sergeant Tato. All the officers, I'm gonna put you in breakout as one. Corporal Bennett was here earlier. Good morning to you. All right, on the iPhone, I just let you in the room. What's your name, sir? Ty.
Carell Lockhart.
Pardon me?
Carell Lockhart.
Carell Lockhart. All
Yes,
right,
sir.
Lockhart. You on your way to church?
No, I'm at school. I'm a teacher.
Oh, okay, because they don't usually dress like that come to court anymore.
Yeah, well, look, they don't dress like this in school no more either.
I see, all right, I see, all right. Lockhart. So are you at work now?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see if
I'm
we
on
can
my
get him. Let's see if we can get him back to work. Lockhart, any officer here on Lockhart?
I'm sorry?
I thought he was going to church.
No, man, I try to set a good tone for the kids here, man. Want to see an educated man looking good.
Absolutely.
There you go.
All right, we got a few more minutes, but we don't. Is there an officer CRECHIOLLO here? CRECHIOLO, David. I don't see him. Mr. Bowman, you want to go in that room and see if anybody's here for Lockhart? This is the city of Detroit versus Carnell Jermaine Lockhart, case number SB 155-28831. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lockhart, please state your name.
Carell Lockhart.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Mr. Bowman is going in there and asking if any of the officers are here on that case. The officer that wrote the ticket doesn't appear to be here.
And it looks like the officers that are in room one are all attributed to other cases, I think. So.
He had appointed attorney. Did the appointed attorney ever contact you?
Yes, sir. He told me he's in a felony trial this morning. He's running a little late, but he requested I stay logged in until someone logged me in.
Mr. Dupree, are you here on Carnell Lockhart?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your appearance on the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I don't believe that we have the officer here. You want to make a motion?
Move to dismiss, Judge.
All right. So, Mr. Lockhart, I'm gonna dismiss the case. But I will say this though, Mr. Lockhart went to the place to show the kids where not to go. You know, that's what he was doing. He was doing research when he got this ticket. Right?
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Yeah.
Have a good day, sir. Case dismissed. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
All right,
Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Well.
All right. All right. Law. Mr. Law. Where's Mr. Law?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Tero Law. Case number SP 114722071, SP 1128887. and 2, SB 1228513, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1265799, SB 1411322, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1426538, SB 1468485, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1485055, counts 1 and counts 2, and counts 3, SB 1584166, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1603161, SB 1603250, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1613670, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1619992, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1630793, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1630795, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Law, please state your name for the record.
Tero Law.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Pre-trial, but I will ask one question, Your Honor. I see some cases have junior and at least one doesn't. So are they all his?
I'm pretty sure they are.
Okay.
We can make sure though. That one the one doesn't even matter because the one is has already been adjudicated. SB 1147271 has been adjudicated already. And that is listed as the same birthday, 5/28/2003. Mr. Law, you got a very young man and you have all this contact with the law.
Yes, sir. I'm just trying to get this cleared up.
Sounds like you need to do a little bit more than that. I mean, that's a start, but all this contact, it only gets worse after that. All right, let's get him an updated offer, and we'll go from there. Ms. Harris, he's been back here before plenty of times, I think. So
Yeah, I have had coordinates.
Speak to Ms. Harris about it, all right?
All right.
Your Honor, does Mr. Gutierrez have a valid license?
Yeah, he does.
Amazing.
Yes, he does.
I'm trying to get with Mr. Bowman in 4. Hasn't shown up yet.
All right. We will try to get you there. He's talking with the officers right now.
Oh, okay, I'll just wait.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Barrett.
How you doing?
I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm fine, Judge. I have Dorian Listenbee. I don't know if the cops are here or not.
They do it all right? Yes, you can get updated on our way. All right, Mr. Gillespie, your case is dismissed. Congratulations. Best of luck to you, sir. And enjoy your birthday.
Thank you.
All right. Lespie. Listen.
Yeah, listen.
Listen.
Listenbee.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Your Honor?
Yes.
As it relates to Andrew Grimes, the ticket that was written by Sergeant Tatum, he advised me that this is a very old ticket. He has no recollection, therefore we can dismiss that ticket, which I believe was suspended license.
He might not be here. I don't think he showed up yet. I don't think.
Who, Tatum? Oh, you mean Grimes? Grimes hasn't yet? Okay.
Let's talk about Listenbee. This is the city of Detroit versus Dorian Listenbee. Case number SP 1492747, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1492791, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1492791, SP 1493358, counts 1, 2, and 3. Here for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Dorian Listenbee.
Mr. Listenbee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning to you. Dorian Listenbee.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's see who's here and who's not. First, Flores, Jeremy Flores, Yessen. I haven't seen Yessen. And then the other three, I don't know. Let's see who the other three is. That's P14927451. Yessen as well. Anybody here on Listenbee? Like he hit the lottery today. Ms. Barrett.
Judge, based upon that, we make a motion that the matters be dismissed.
Right. I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. Nobody here on Listenbee. Jeremy Flores. Yes. If I can officers. I'm going to dismiss the case. I'm going to wait for warrant fee. You're going to pay the reinstatement fee, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Ms. Barrett, good to see you again. Good to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
All right.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Are we ready on anyone?
We're ready on Mr. Law.
Mr. Berry is waiting on you, Mr. Bowman.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Law. Mr. Law, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting an opportunity to obtain his license. He said he was given a case to pay, and he's just wondering if you could provide him with that information one more time.
Yeah, I'm not going to keep on going back and forth with you, sir. I'm not going to keep on.
I understand, Your Honor.
You either get your stuff together or you just don't get a license. I'm giving you an opportunity to before, and you continue to come in here with tickets. I mean, with allegations that you're driving. How old are you?
I'm 21, Your Honor.
21 years old. You've racked up 35 tickets.
Yeah. At the moment, my only means of transportation to get back.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want. It's not your only means of transportation. The bus is your means. It can be a means of transportation, but you choose not to do it. So I don't want to hear it.
Yes, sir.
Do you work?
Yes, sir, I do.
Where do you work?
I work at a factory job called S&W. It's in Taylor, Michigan.
He has a no insurance proof. We've been through this before, Mr. Mr. Law. A no insurance proof, $288. Case number SP 142-65381. SP 142-65381, $288. I'm setting the matter for trial. Setting the matter for trial.
Can it be paid today?
It can be paid, yeah. It could have been paid a long time ago.
Okay, because I've been trying to pay it. I just didn't know exactly what ticket it was. I didn't want to pay the wrong one.
Well,
even though I may end up paying them all. Yeah.
That's why you should have wrote it down when you were here last time.
You're right.
Did you write it down, Mr. Law?
Honestly, no, I didn't just catch it this time.
See what I'm saying? He's not ready. He's not ready.
No, sir.
You got to get yourself together, sir. You
I
sit here.
But I said the judge was going to give you the information to be ready.
I was about to ask for my information one more time before I got out of this room. I'm ready right now.
SP 142-65381.
I got it, sir.
Right. I'm doing all I can to see that these young people come in here and go leave out with a valid driver's license. I've seen you too many times. You continue to get tickets. I do have a way that I can try to get through to you, and I try to exercise the utmost restraint in using that way. But trust and believe that I will do it if you don't comport, okay?
I understand, sir.
So you want to repeat the number back, Mr. Law, so we can make sure you have it?
Oh, no, I have it this time. I have it. I wrote it
Let him
down.
go. Let him go. You're trying to. Everybody's trying. He's got it. We'll see. This is about I don't know how many times it's been since you've been in here, but it's not going to be. We're not going to keep going down this road. Come back on January 13th. I wish you the best of luck to getting that valid license. Come back January 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I want you to have a safe, happy holiday season, and I won't forget what I said. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. All right. Let's see. City of Detroit versus Tyrell Jamal Grasty. Case number is SP 1616343. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1616341. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of defendant Grasty, please state your name for the record.
Tyrell Jamal Grasty.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the day. He's on the docket for just the improper equipment, Ms. Harris, and on tomorrow he's set for the pretrial on the misdemeanors. I don't know how that he has no insurance and a driving license suspended. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Grasty?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
Run his license, please. Do you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes.
All right, let's see the insurance, please.
My camera kind of tripping. Oh no.
We see you, just put it there if you can.
You make sure you look at it. I'm gonna do something else here.
You can see it because it's blurry on my screen.
Why don't you go in the breakout room, speak with Ms. Harris, and keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. If he's got the valid, if he's got the valid license, if you're doing that, if you got the valid license, if you got insurance, he's only really dealing with an improper. I don't need to see the license. We need to see the insurance. He's only really dealing with these tenant windows. So, Ms. Harris, go in the breakout room and see. We'll let you know in a second whether his license is valid or not.
This proof of the insurance right here.
Oh. It's great. Join the room, sir, and let Ms. Harris look at it. Okay. Gatlin, Marcia Linda Gatlin.
Yes.
Morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marcita Linda Gatlin, case number SP 158199901. Appearance for the record, please. There's no lawyer right now. Officer Cervantes, can you state your name for the record, please, and your qualifications?
Yes, Officer Marcos Cervantes, Your Honor. And you said, say what else?
And your badge number, department, please.
932 is my badge number, and the Detroit Police Department.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Let me get a lawyer in here for Ms. Cervantes, because this is a situation of allowing, and I don't see any notes on the ticket here, and it's kind of really fact specific in that regard of So let me get a lawyer in here. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor.
Yes.
If at all possible, I really do not recollect this encounter. If it's okay with you, and we can move forward.
I appreciate the honesty and upfront. Mr. Bowman, I'm going to dismiss. No recollection.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's easy. All right, Mr. Deante, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
All right, let's go back on the record for Gatlin. Case is going to be dismissed. No recollection.
Okay.
Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, his license is valid. Grasty's license is valid.
And he also has insurance. It expires 12/29/24.
Let's go back on the record with Grasty. Mr. Grasty, all we're dealing with is these tenant windows. I don't know if there's actual tents on the car or not. I can give you a formal hearing. You can pay the $120, or you can see if Ms. Harris can work out a deal, or if you can show proof that the windows aren't tinted anymore, we'll dismiss. So you got a couple of options. What do you want to do?
I'm not to pay it because it's not my car.
It's not his car. It's not his car.
Mr. Bowman, based on him saying it's not his car, would you be agreeable to a dismissal? He does have valid insurance and a valid license.
But he was driving the vehicle when the vehicle was stopped. So at the time that he was in possession of the vehicle, it was his vehicle. So he needs to pay this
Mr. Bowman, that's not. I won't agree with that statement. It wasn't his vehicle. He was just borrowing it. Now I can agree. I don't. Well, but it's tinted windows on the vehicle. What do you want to do, Mr. Bowman?
We'll dismiss it. He can tell his friend to use the money he just saved and get those tenant windows untenanted.
All right, so yeah, so Mr. Grasty, I mean, I know you whose car is it?
My mama's.
No.
Your mom? Oh, so are the windows tinted?
Oh yeah.
Okay, now the front windows are tinted?
Oh yeah.
Where's your mom?
You right here.
Let me speak to her.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello, how are you? What's your name, ma'am?
It's Tyshell, Grasty.
Grasty? All right, do you own this Dodge here? You know the windows are tinted, you know that's illegal?
Yes, I do.
Oh, so you don't care? You like the car? You like that? That's your style, huh?
Yeah, that's why I bought it.
I mean, you bought it, that's why you bought it because of the tinted windows?
No. I like the body style of the car.
Did you get the windows tinted yourself?
No, it came like that.
You did? You say yes?
Yes.
He said it came like that. I thought that's what you said.
Yeah.
So wait, I'm getting two different answers. Did you tint?
I got the back windows tinted, like around.
And the front windows? Okay, so which windows are they talking about are tinted then?
That I don't know. But I did get the back window and the side windows tinted.
The side windows on the front, on the driver's and passenger door?
Yes.
Okay, so do you know that's illegal?
No, I did not know that was illegal.
Yeah, a lot of people don't. It's that you can't have the driver's passenger or front passenger or driver's side windows tinted, and you can't have more than 4 inches across the front windshield.
Okay.
You're subject to get pulled over. It's $120 fine. There's no price, but it's $120 fine, and it gives the officer cause to stop you or your son for it. You know.
Okay.
So I know it looks good, and it's people tell me I need to get tints on my Grand Marquis, but I'm not gonna do it. No, he's at Mr. Reeves, I can do it.
You absolutely should.
If it wasn't illegal, I'd say do it.
Well, I can get it on the back. You can have it on the back as dark as you want, but on the front passenger driver's side, listen, Mr. Bowman is he's being generous today. I'm gonna tell you that. Sure. Some of the offers I couldn't believe. I didn't stand in front of him because but he's being generous today. But if he sees you back, I'm sure he's not going to be as generous in the court. The court won't be either, right? So we'll dismiss the cases, and if you have the tents on there and we see you back, you're gonna have to pay.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, and the best of luck to your son, ma'am. Have a very good day. I'm glad your son has a valid driver's license. That's the most important thing.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Ready, yes, Mr. Gutierrez, yeah.
Are you?
Yes.
All right, let's go with John Oliver first. Ms. Harris, let me get you going on John Oliver. Where's John Oliver?
I'm here. Good morning.
To you, sir. What is your middle name if you have one?
Otis.
John Otis Oliver?
Yes.
Not till the 15th, Mr. Oliver.
I had got 2 papers sent in the mail. One said today and one did say the 15th.
Okay, let's see what else you have. What's the ticket number for today?
I'm not sure. I'm sorry.
He's got warrants. City of Detroit versus John Otis Oliver, case number SP 1205035, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1618850, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Oliver, please state your name.
John Otis Oliver.
And then let's call 18318942, counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record as well. Go ahead, Ms. Harris. So arraignment on the warrant.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Here, not guilty plea on his behalf, getting a $0 bond. Mr. Oliver, do you have a valid license?
No, sir, I don't.
Why don't you come back on the 15th so we can get all your whole file together? Maybe you could take that time to get a valid license as well.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Retrial for the matters on 11/15. We'll have your complete file here, all right? Best of luck to you. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus William Gary, case number SP 1191599, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1202319, count 1. SP 1614325, counts 1, 2, and 3. U 25771515, U 574279220. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gary, please state your name for the record.
Morning, Mr. Gary.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Considering not guilty on his behalf, we'll give him a $0 bond. He's got a lot of tickets here that he's, first of all, the U tickets that I called into the record were disorderly conducts that he pled to. I don't know what the original charge was, but he never paid those. He owes one is under warrant status. And that's a 2015 matter that he pled to disorderly conduct. And the other one, disorderly conduct, pled on that one on 2010-2020. Never paid. The other matters, he's got a host of civil infractions. He's got 1, 2, no ops from one from 19 and the other one from 17 that he never paid. He's got a no insurance civil 2017 ticket, $258 that would help him get a license if he paid, and another no proof of insurance from 2017, $288 that would help him get a license. Get Mr. Gary an offer. I'm gonna put you in a breakout. We'll have a conversation with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay. Join the room, please.
Your Honor, do we know whether or not Mr. Gary presently has a license or registration?
If I was a betting man, I would say no. But I'll let Ms. Harris come back and we can run it, but I'm gonna say no. Okay. I think that's a waste of paper. Ms. Harris? She's gone. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client stands ready to respond to the prosecutor's most current offer, which is to allow him to enter a plea to 1 count of improper plates on the first no insurance charge. And as to the drag racing charge, allow him to enter a plea to limited access 6 to 10.
Can't do that. It's a very, very generous offer, but you can't do that. You cannot reduce a misdemeanor to a civil infraction. The officer you'd have to dismiss the officer, would have to rewrite if you wanted to accomplish that. If it's a civil infraction that you want him to plead to, he has he doesn't have too many updated tickets here. He's got a host of civil infractions that he owes. So I'm weary that if we give him this deal, is he gonna pay it anyway?
Mr. Berry, meet me in 4, please.
He's got a host of civil infraction that he owes. He owes $288 on a failure to turn back in 2020, $246 no equipment, $198 obstructed vision, $258 on a disregard of red signal back in 18, no registration $228, improper equipment $198, unsafe manner $258. Those are all 18. A limited access 1 to 5 $204, improper equipment $144, drove too fast for condition $192, disregarding red signal $219. Plus he's going to have a few reinstatement fees to pay anyway, so he's got a lot. Go ahead and break out room and speak with Mr. Bowman again and see if you can work it out for him.
Your Honor.
Hold on a second, sir. He wants to plead his case to me, but now is not the time to do that. All right, let Mr. Berry do your work, okay? Leonard Edward there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Do you have a middle name?
Yes, Denzel.
EWBDWARDLEONARD, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a case number?
I actually do. This is for pre-trial today. I thought you last time you said it for the 4th.
What's the case number?
Ticket number will be U633-86722.
Hold on, not that fast. U633. Go ahead.
86722.
722. Oh, it's Edward Leonard D. Edward D. Leonard.
Edward Denzel Leonard. Yep.
Okay. And you had Leonard Edward on that you signed in on. That's what confused me. Did you get licensed?
First of all,
But this is a yes or no question. I don't want you to go too deep into it. I'm gonna let you
license for what?
Okay, so you didn't get a license. The allegation is being one of those, well, you have Ryan Hill. Let's get Ryan Hill in here. Attorney Ryan Hill. We're gonna wait till your lawyer comes in, all right, Mr. Leonard? Let's get Attorney Hill in here, please. The allegation is being one of the, I guess one of the clubs on 8 Mile without a valid license. So I don't know.
Which it was for smoking tobacco. That's why I don't understand how it turned to that.
See, that's why I don't want you to. That's why I don't want you to say anything. I don't want you to say anything. Let Mr. Hill do the talking for you, all right? It does say they advised on smoking tobacco. It's not for smoking tobacco, it's for being there at security without the proper license. That's what the allegation is. Let Mr. Hill, get Mr. Hill or Ryan Hill. All right. Give us a minute, sir. Let me get your lawyer in here.
No problem.
Low? Oh, there, Lolita. Low.
Your Honor, I need Mr. Gutierrez back in breakout room.
Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Gutierrez, please.
How do I get in there?
Here, I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna move you around. Just go. When it says 2, go back to 2.
Thank you.
Miss Lowe, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning. Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
No, I don't.
Let me wait on the lawyer. Come on, Mr. Gutierrez, you have to join that room.
I did it kick me out.
It should be a prompt down there on the bottom of your screen. It should have
join breakout room. Do I click that?
Yeah, join.
Okay.
All right, let's wait on the lawyer.
Ms. Harris, did you want to meet me in breakout room?
Waiting on you in 4 right now.
4. All right. Okay.
Oh, absolutely. Want to go? Everybody want to go? I got one. Oh, you did? I'll bring you one. Oh, that was okay. You don't want another one? Thank you. Good. What's that? I'll hit for this for the waste. She should probably. She's here.
I gotta send them over.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
Yes, she's here.
Yeah, and then some of the things she got to pay for probation.
She just came to court now, right?
They'll possibly take her, like a 240 the judge says today downstairs. But usually, so big information set up. We put a reference in the probation.
Okay.
So that's usually all the time. But if she got probation, it's also so you gotta get order from the judge. So once I print it out, I stamp it, send it to the engineer. Talk to them.
Gotcha. Okay.
We're not going to be too much longer. I know. I appreciate everybody's patience. All right, ready on Gutierrez?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Gutierrez. Oh. Hold on, we have to wait on court reporter now. Call Ryan here. Oh. How you doing, sir? Yes. How you doing, Lars? So this is Judge Perkins. I need Mr. Hill or somebody in his office here in my courtroom in 36 courtroom 434. He has a client, Mr. Edward Denzel Leonard. Pre-trial. Edward Leonard. Very well, thank you. Are we ready? Okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? I see.
We are requesting a trial date and the appointment of counsel. I just placed his information in the chat.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Gary?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I'm gonna give you a trial date, but I'm gonna give you 2 dates. Need appointed attorney. And one date is going to be a trial date. The other date is going to be a pre-trial date. That date is set just to make sure that you've got that attorney has made contact with you and you all are on the same page.
Okay.
All right. So you got to answer the calls and pay attention to the emails that you don't recognize. One of those calls or emails should be from that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney has not made contact with you by the next date on January the 6th, 2025, then we'll get one on the spot. So January the 6th is your first date. That's your next time you appear. And the trial date will be a week after that on January the 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. So come back January the 6th at 8:30. And if you don't have anything further, sir, you have the best luck to you. Have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year.
Okay. I had a question, Judge.
What's your question?
I heard you say something about another ticket and saying something about warrant status. I was trying to.
It's already, I recalled the warrant. You owe the money.
Oh, okay.
You have to pay it. You have to pay it. You can pay any of that stuff except for the misdemeanor matters. They won't allow you to pay. But you have a host of civil infractions that you need to pay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start paying on that 2 days.
Yeah. All right. We'll see.
Okay.
Have a great day, Mr. Gary. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus happened to Low. City of Detroit versus Lolita Antel Low, case number SB 1618908, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Lolita Low.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lowe,
Yes.
she indicated that she hasn't had a license yet. This is only a driving license suspended and a seatbelt ticket. You can get Ms. Lowe an updated offer. She has an Ms. Lowe, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a break. I won't speak to Ms. Harris and have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, right?
Okay.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel again. Counsel, what's the resolution now?
Again, Your Honor, the resolution is that as to the drag racing, it will be reduced to failure to use due care and caution.
And what else? What is the, give me the entire resolution.
And the other charge to be pled to is improper plates as to one of the no insurance charges. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
As to one of the no insurance charges, so we have repleted the 2 things?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Gutierrez?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up? You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 15th, 2021, at around 2:10 a.m. in the city of Detroit. in the area of Randolph and East Jefferson. Did you have an occasion that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I believe so.
Now, you have to know so, sir.
Yes.
Were you operating what kind of car? Were you operating a 2010 Chevrolet, I think? Red?
No.
All right, let me see.
Oh, yes. Okay, yes, I do actually now remember.
What kind of car is that?
I think it was a Corvette.
A Corvette.
Right.
And what were you doing out there?
I think I was speeding.
Not think. Let's not think.
Okay.
Let's know.
I was speeding.
You were doing more than just speeding, weren't you?
Yes.
What were you doing out there?
I was racing.
You were racing. Who were you racing? What kind of car were you racing?
I to be honest, I can't remember what car.
All right. Are you satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And did the officer ask you to produce insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
I don't think so. No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it. I didn't have it printed out at the time.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate. Find you guilty of the amended count of failure to use new carry caution for 2-point offense for the drag racing and failure to improper plate. That's a 0-point offense. $240 is the fine for both. For the improper plate, I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240, you owe a host of civil infractions as well. I'm only gonna deal with the 480. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You pay the reinstatement fee. When can you pay?
What is the total again? 480?
Just for these two, you have the court probably about $3,000+.
Yeah, no. On those tickets, I already started a payment plan.
All right. When can you pay the 480?
The 480 probably like 2-3 weeks, 2 weeks tops.
All right. Come back on 11/18 for review. 11/18, $480. Review. Come back in the morning at 8:25. It's paid. We'll dismiss and we'll close the other one out. All right.
Okay. You said 12:25.
At 8:25.
Oh, 8:20. Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. All right.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Potts versus Edward. Is it Leonardo? It's not Leonardo.
No, it's Leonard. Edward Denzel Leonard.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Edward Denzel Leonard, case number U633-86722. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts, P78607. On behalf of Mr. Leonard, Your Honor, Mr. Edward, I'm sorry. Your Honor, it seems as if, I'm not sure why this matter wasn't on our calendar for the day. And I looked at the ROA, it looks like we had a trial date, or it looks like there's a trial date in this matter as well. I haven't had opportunity to speak with prosecuting attorney on this matter yet. But I believe our intention was just to set this matter for a bench trial.
Well, I think that's what it was, Mr. Leonard. You're kind of, this is like that control date for you, right? We set it for a pretrial date. Now, Mr. Potts is here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Leonard, and I'll get you acquainted with Mr. Potts in his office. And then I'm going to let Mr. Potts go and speak with the city. And he can come speak with you first. Let's do that. Do that first, Mr. Potts, and then go to the city in 4. I'm going to give you permission to move around as you choose. So after you speak to Mr. Leonard, go speak to Mr. Potts. The allegation suggests that Mr. Leonard was working at Tycoon's and he was working security, and he didn't have the proper license. It indicates on the ticket, his claim is that he's an independent contractor. Claims he is an independent contractor, and he was advised on smoking. So smoking is not what we're really here for. We're really here for the working security at the door without a valid license. Again, you have an absolute right to a trial. Go speak to Mr. Leonard, and then go to breakout room 4 and speak to Mr. Potts. Mr. Potts, go to breakout room 5, speak to Mr. Leonard, then go to 4, speak to Mr. Potts.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right. He's in there. You need somebody, right, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus Rashavia. Can I get? Let me make sure I get the pronunciation correct.
Rashavia, good.
I need to see you, ma'am. Okay. What is your? Give me the correct morning to you. Give me the correct pronunciation of your name.
Rashavia Gunn.
Okay, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Rashavia Gunn, case number SP160-43611. That's at 4361, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP161-85481. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gunn.
Rashavia Gunn. Rashavia Kenesha Gunn.
Okay, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, enter not guilty claim your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. It appears that there's 3 other civil infractions that did not make it. It must be in default, but they're pretty recent. I wouldn't have any objection, to allowing Ms. Gunn to be heard on those. One is a no insurance proof. The other one is a no seatbelt that went along with this reckless driving ticket. And the other one is a 26 to 30 miles per hour over the speed limit ticket. The reckless driving allegation does not have anything on the ticket that suggests what Ms. Gunn was doing during the operation of this vehicle that rose to the level of reckless. So, Mr. Berry, get Ms. Gunn an updated offer. Ms. Gunn, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room and wait on Mr. Berry to come speak with you, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Yes, sir.
So am I supposed to be meeting Prosecutor Bowman and
4. Go to 4, please. Berry and Potts and Bowman.
The speeding ticket, Your Honor, the 36 to
26 to 30.
Thank you.
I don't have anything on that. Just that's probably in default.
Okay.
All of them are recent though. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You want to plead guilty to this, but
Yes.
you need time to pay.
Yes.
Ms. Harris, I just read. So, well, first, maybe your client is not interested in getting a license. Is that, or is your client? Go ahead.
There is a hold on my client's license, and it's due to an accident. I believe her son was in an accident, so it's an extensive amount of money that she would have to pay to get a license.
Okay. You want to take the deal allowing them?
Yes.
$240 fine is going to be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you put your hand down? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 3rd, 2024, around 2:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Tyerman and Evergreen. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No.
Why couldn't you produce a license, ma'am? I know you already told me. Just say it for the record.
I didn't hear you.
Why couldn't you produce a valid license?
Oh, I have no driver's license.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing $240 will be a fine. I'll dismiss upon payment stipulation cause. I'll dismiss the other matter now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lowe, how long do you need?
Can I get till January?
All right, come back on, that's 2 months. All right, come back on January the 6th.
Okay.
2025, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, Ms. Lowe. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Come back January 6th at 8:25. If it's paid, we'll dismiss the case. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good, safe, and happy holiday season. All right, see you in the new year.
Okay, thank you. You too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Emeritus Tayshawn Green. Case number SP 1536364, SP 1566644, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of defendant Green. Please state your name.
I'm trying to find Bowman.
I'm on my way.
Okay, I'll go back.
Mr. Green, good morning to you. Unmute yourself, please. Turn your camera on and state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that. My name is Amarius Green.
Marius Green, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. What are we set for here, Ms. Harris?
Pre-trial?
Pre-trial 1, 2, 3, 4. I know Mr. Green has a valid license, doesn't he? Mr. Green?
Yes, I didn't know you were talking to me. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I said, I know you have a valid license, don't you?
No, I'm still waiting on Oak Park.
Either we'll set a trial date or give them an offer. Maybe they give them an offer that doesn't abstract. Put you in a breakout room. You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, have a conversation with Mr. Harris, all right?
Okay.
Your Honor, did you want me to go in there or did you want to do Eric Lane before I went in there?
Let's do Lane. You're reading my mind now, Ms. Harris. That's kind of scary. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Eric Demetrius Lane. Case number SP 1589248, counts 1, 2, and 3. It should be all these cases. SP 1589265, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lane, please state your name.
Eric Demetrius Lane.
Here's the deal. It's messed up. It's messed up. So the officer did not show today, but Ryan Heaton. But that's for the formal hearing. They only put one case on here. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4. They're scheduled for tomorrow.
Wow.
No. Ms. Harris, work it out for me. The officer is supposed to be here today.
Excuse me, Your Honor, could you tell me what case it is that we're doing today?
It's well, all of them are the same. It appears that you got all these tickets at one time.
Yes,
so let's see. So the one that you're here for today is the no insurance proof. Let's see. That was 1/6/2024, Officer Heaton, 7 Mile and Conan, and then the ones for tomorrow, 7 Mile and Conan.
Okay, I got the proof of insurance.
7 Mile and Conan.
Right. Yeah, they're all the same.
So you got a valid license?
Not yet.
No. 7 Mile and Conan. All right. See what Mr. You can see what Mr. Bowman. Mr. Bowman, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your appearance on the record, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Victor Bowman, P 33764 for the people.
All right, here's the issue. I don't know how it happened. It just sometimes happens like that. He had all these tickets on one occurrence. However, somehow in the system, it was only today for the formal hearing on the civil infraction, and tomorrow is set for those misdemeanors.
And Your Honor, who are we referring to?
Eric Lane.
Mr. Lane, okay.
So Ryan Heaton is the officer that's supposed to be here today. Let's pass the matter. Let me let Ms. Harris speak with you about Green and Heaton and Lane at the same time.
Fair enough.
Give me just a few moments, Mr. Bowman. I'm going to speak with Mr. Green and see if he has documents first.
All right, thank you.
We're ready on Leonard, Your Honor, or Edward rather.
Let's pass on. Let's go back on the record. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's going to go on?
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Edward. Explain to him his rights, the difference between a bench trial and a jury trial. He is adamant in his defense. There is an offer that needs to be placed on the record that Mr. Edward can plead guilty as charged. The matter would be, if I'm not mistaken, dismissed upon payment. And Mr. Edward, you don't want to take that offer at this time. You'd like to proceed to trial. Is that correct?
This is Mr. Bowman. That is, and for the record is clear, our charge today is disorderly conduct. If this is not a deal today, that amended offer will go away.
All right,
so,
Mr. Leonard.
Yeah, just so we're clear, it'd be a plea reduced to disorderly conduct. You can plead to that and then make a payment, and the matter would be dismissed upon payment. If not, we can set this matter for a trial.
Yeah, he lied. Like I said, I want to.
Okay, Mr. Edward, don't make any comments about the case.
Okay.
I explained to him the difference between the bench trial and the jury trial. Mr. Edward would like to set this matter for a jury trial at this time.
Did you explain to him about $500 and potentially 93 days in jail?
Well, Your Honor, I figured Your Honor would go over his rights, but I can do that as well.
Well, listen. Here's the deal. It's a misdemeanor. I don't know which code this is written under. Well, I do know what code it's written under. The code is 5-12-. It looks like 51A. But you know, in the sense of Mr. Let me ask you this first and foremost. What is your? Give me your. Is it Leonard Edward or Edward Leonard?
Edward Denzel Leonard.
Leonard. Okay, that's how it's written. Okay, so. The offer of the disorderly, it's just failure to is a working at door security. So I would I would think that the better thing would do to be just plead as charged on that thing, but the maximum possible penalty is a $500 fine and 93 days in jail. But that's the maximum. Nevertheless, it's still a plea as charged, and or you're amending it to disorderly conduct. But he wants a jury trial. Let's get the jury trial.
He said a bench trial.
I believe he wants a jury trial. I spoke to him.
I'm sorry.
And I believe he wants a jury trial.
Yeah, jury.
Do we have any dates yet? The unfortunate part about that is we don't have any jury trial dates yet. We can set it for another pretrial in the new year. We should have some jury trial dates. I don't know why. We should have some jury trial. Yes.
Would Your Honor be willing to set it for a bench trial without waiving jury?
It's already set. We won't waive his rights. He hasn't waived his rights. So come back on the 15th. It's already set.
Is it the 15th or the 18th, Your Honor?
Let's see. We'll just leave it like that and then come back. You haven't waived your rights to a jury trial. We'll just keep the date in the system as it is.
I have the 18th in my register of actions.
If you have the 18th, then that's what it is. Let's make sure. Come back on the 18th at 9 a.m., Mr. Leonard, and then never know. You may not have to deal with it after that. But if you do, you haven't given up your right to a jury trial. We'll see if we can get some jury trial dates. And if you want to continue to exercise that jury trial right, we'll get you that date on the 18th if they have some. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back on the 18th at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day. And that the day was really just set for you to engage with the attorney. All right.
Got you.
All right. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're welcome. All right. Let's go ahead back on the record for Mr. Green. That's Ms. Harris. I'll wait on Ms. Harris to come out. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gunn. Ms. Gunn, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the current offer of the people, which is as to the reckless driving charge, that's to be reduced to failure to use due care and caution as to a waste vehicle. And as to the speeding charge, again, the 26 to 30 miles over, the people would reduce that to 11 to 15 miles over. The seatbelt and insurance charges to be dismissed.
All right, so here's the deal, ma'am. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right, here's the deal. So in this particular case, you got the 26 to 30 over, which they've agreed to reduce to 11 to 15, which will be 3 points. And then on a separate occasion, you got the reckless driving, which they were willing to reduce to failure to use due care and caution, which is 2 points. In this situation, you're going to come out with 5 points on your driver's license. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And as I understand, the way it works is if you had something less than 3 points or less, then you could have, if you were qualified, I don't know what other tickets you had in any other jurisdictions, you would have been able to take a test with the Secretary of State to avert those points. But in this case, you probably will not qualify. I just want to let you know that. You understand that? If all these tickets had gone together, then the tickets would have merged into the highest point ticket, and you would have only come out in this situation of 3 points instead of 5. So failure, you will still want to take the deal, ma'am? I know I said a lot there.
Yeah.
But it's basically a sum and substance. You're going to have 5 points on your license.
But if you take that, if you try to,
I would like to take the lowest where I can reduce my points. I would like to take.
That's it. That's all that the city's offering.
Okay, well I'll take the.
They cut the 26 to 30 down to 11 to 15. They cut it from 4 points to 3 points, and then they cut the reckless driving, which is 6 points, down to a 2-point offense.
I'll take the deal.
I gotta say, Mr. Bowman he's been pretty generous today.
I would like to take the deal.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Barry went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Mr. Barry, is Ms. Dunn going to be able to make the factual basis for a reckless driving, in your opinion?
I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Must be honest.
Let's see. Let's draw your attention back to July the 29th, 2024, at around 2:04 a.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Greenfield and Westfield Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day and time?
Yes, I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
What kind of car is this 2011 Chevy?
Yes, sir.
What kind of Chevy is that?
A 2011 Chevy Malibu.
Oh, Malibu. Okay. So what were you doing out there?
I got into it with one of my friends and I was leaving their house.
We have to get to the point where you're driving.
I was driving down the street and the police pulled me over and they took me out the car and they told me that they were gonna have to take my car because I was driving too fast and I was trying to call somebody to get my car and can nobody get my car and it got impounded.
So how fast were you driving?
I really don't know, sir.
Were you speeding?
I don't think so at the time, sir.
You don't think so at the time. You see how that goes? It's not, you're not making up the elements of anywhere near a reckless. Not that it's, reckless is what do they say? Failure to a wanton disregard. This is MC